All right, so I was asked the question if, how to tell if I'm on Alexa or how to be able to optimize my business listing inside of Alexa. So Alexa is a very hard network to be able to dive into to know, okay, why is it delivering the results that it is? And the reason for this is because Alexa doesn't have a business directory. Alexa doesn't have a direct submission piece. Now, there is a company out there called Alexa Business, but they're not associated with Alexa. So Alexa is owned by Amazon. It's all their different products for all of their smart speakers and different devices that they have. But they have a way that they pick up your information from multiple different networks and how they end up getting submitted over. We have a unique way that we submit the information over to get that listing there. But to really dive into that, what gets pulled in becomes really hard to be able to dive into that because there isn't that directory that you can tweak that is their directory right inside of there. So being able to get inside of Alexa and know that you're being found inside of that voice search when someone does it. There's a few different things you have to do that'll really dive you in to be able to find out if you're even inside of the database, for one. So what you're going to do is you're going to make that search. You're going to search for yourself. You're going to say, Alexa, find me my business name and see if you come up. Or, hey, can you find a phone number for this business and use your business name? See if you're inside of the database. That's step number one. Step number two is to be able to make sure you're doing everything you can to be able to optimize your information. So everything, including Alexa, is built on three different pillars. That's going to be content, authority, and trust. So make sure that you're putting out everything to the right directories. If you're using simplybefound.com, we go to 800 plus directories. Doesn't mean that you're going to be able to rank inside of those right away. It's going to be that organic piece. It's building that, that root system for your organic marketing and that tree to be able to go out everywhere. Make sure that you're doing your social media. Make sure that you're talking about the things that you're going to solve. This is a great way to bring in AEO marketing, which is going to be answer engine optimization. So being able to talk about your frequently asked questions, all of that's going to increase your chances of coming up inside of those searches. But being able to make sure that you're number one every time inside of Alexa, it's so random. There's times I've asked Alexa to find a business when I'm doing a search personally, and it comes up with something that's not even inside of the same realm that I was looking for. So Alexa's still at those very baby stages in being able to do that. Yes, you can get your information there. Yes, you can have it, but it's looking for all those different pieces. It's making sure that you have reviews, making sure that it does it. And it's doing best guesses. And I'd say out of all the search networks, it's probably the hardest one to be able to pinpoint because sometimes for one person it'll deliver this result, the next person will be this result. And sometimes if you ask that same search engine, that same search again, it's going to come up as a different result every single time. So you go back, you ask it that question, you make sure that you're blogging, make sure you're consistent on that, make sure that you are doing the AEO marketing for the answer engine optimization, make sure you're doing your social media, bring those interactions in. Don't just be posting content to post content. Make sure you're posting actual things you do. This is where you can really dive in to that content strategy of starting with a video, talking about a problem you solved for a customer, and then working it out, getting that transcript from that video, now taking it to AI and letting it write those social media posts and being able to bring value to your user base, not just trying to sell your products of, hey, we do this. Hey, we do this. Hey, guess what? We solved a problem, or we did a quote for this person over for this problem in this area, or, whatever it might be. You can do this for home services. You can do it for chiropractic. You can do it for restaurants. You could do it for any business out there, being able to dive that content in to be able to drive those results. So if you're looking to be found on Alexa, make sure you're registered on all the right networks. If you're looking for a listings engine, simplybefound.com is a great one to be able to go to. I'm kind of biased on that one. But make sure you're doing all of the steps, and it takes time to be able to go through. Alexa, to really kind of get it 100% ironed out, I'm seeing right now, I would say 90 days to really start really seeing good results inside of Alexa, because the other piece is you have to make sure that you get into their database updates. They never tell us when their updates are. You have to be in there. So the big starting place is, are you listed? Does it know who you are? Does it know your information? Does it have the correct information inside of it? The next thing will be asking questions to it, asking, what does this business do? See what it tells you back and just really diving in. So if you want to find out if your business is even being found, start by searching on Alexa for your business today and see if you found. Let me know what you find out in the comments below. I'd love to hear all about what you found, what you didn't find, and the struggles or the benefits that you've seen. Because Alexa is one of those weird networks, since they don't have that business directory for us to say, hey, here's how we're going to optimize it. Here's what's going to happen. Here's our game plan. It's making sure everything is tied together. It's probably one of the biggest ones of making sure everything comes together and how that data all connects to be able to make sure you're inside of there. And it's great once you get it going, and once you're inside of there, it's a great place to be. It's a great way to be able to get more leads, more sales, and to be able to grow your business. Siri's a little bit easier since you have Apple Business Connect. All the Bixby products and all the Google products, that all relies on your Google business profile. And then a lot of databases all rely on your Yellow Pages profiles for YP.com, for Super Pages, and Dex Knows. And we work with all those different networks. So if you're looking to be able to get your business found, come check us out, simplybefound.com. If you have any questions, chat with me or my business partner, Dean, which is the other co-founder in this. We handle 100% of the chat on our website. We'll see you on chat, simplybefound.com. I look forward to hearing your comments also below. Thanks and have a great day.